there, my friends, and welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thank you. Please like, please share, please comment to this video. Or if you are new, please watch to the very end, subscribe, like, send me some love, a heart, comments, but just do your best to show the video some attention and show me some love. But what I'm here to talk about is Maybelline, a favorite brand of mine in the drugstore. But specifically, I'm here to talk about the new Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Kit. So this particular view is these beautiful lips. And what I'm going to do is show you live what this looks like on a real individual person. So I purchased this lip kit, and did you know, well, I'm sure if you didn't know, but I'm going to tell you that this has 8 different shades. I chose number 5, and number 5 is called Passion. Well, I tell you, it's coming on in the holidays, and we need all the passion and all the love to continue to get through it. But most importantly, Halloween is coming up. And if you are a more conservative person, but yet you wanted to do something to up your lip game for the holiday season, not just Halloween, I wanted to show you. I'm looking in my mirror, so if you see my eyes divert, is because I'm looking in my mirror to make sure I get it right and don't get it all over the place. It does go on smooth, and I am using an e.l.f. what is called an e.l.f. defining pencil or defining brush. And the reason I'm using this brush is to really make sure that I get it on the meatiest, juiciest parts of my lips. Well, both my lips, I only got 2 of them, you know. I got lip ips. So I'm really trying to make sure that the base color gets on my lips as nice and neat as possible. And clean it up here. Yes. Really trying to make my lips look very kissable. Make it look very kissable. Making sure I make them nice. Kissable. And here, making it nice and neat. This maybe somebody who is a nice, making sure I get it nice, neat. And I must admit, this base color, I don't know which one is the Passion, but baby, I'm getting it nice and smooth, so I can dial up the passion whatever I say, whatever I do, and with whomever I come into contact with. And then now, according to the instructions, the piece de la resistance, the reason why you're buying the lip kit is this right here. So I put this on. As you can see, I was using it and it ended up on my lips. And now I'm going to use this metallic to see what it's going to do, what new level is it really going to make my lips passionate. Let's see. I get in the back, I got the front and the back of the lip brush. And I like to start in the middle of my lip. I like to start right in the middle of the lip. I gotta put some more on because, baby, I use it up because my lips are just eating up the passion. What I'm finding is that this metallic, the metallic portion of the presentation did dry out the base layer. But what I'm finding, especially in the mirror, is that it really, made my lips, as if I could see better. I could see it closer in the mirror under my lights, that it made me just get all excited. My eyes get brighter, and I'm thinking to myself, I'm a fox, I'm a vixen. I'm gonna slay and be salacious. Everything coming out of my mouth, as I stated before, will be sickening, will be sassy, will be slaying, will be salacious. It definitely gives the lips a sheen. It does make the base layer more matte as I put the metallic. But what you can do is take some more of this, the base layer, and just fill out your lips, clean up as necessary. And just go back. And what I'm finding is that it takes the metallic and makes it constant and concentrates it right in the middle of the lips. Put some of that on, baby. I can't wait to use this for my Halloween costume. What I'm going to go as, I don't know yet, but I do know what I'm going to go with is my lips slayed and sassy and salacious and succulent. This number 5 Passion Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Color. And it comes in a kit. And why is it a kit? Not as a kitten, not because there's 2 shades in a nice travel size, packaging. It does not come with a mirror. I really wish it did. I tried. It does not come with a mirror. I think they could have added a mirror to make sure that you can, make sure that your lips are sassy and succulent all night, all day, all night long. So you will be the one picked for the kissing booth. So you'll be picked to be kissed any day, anytime, anywhere. So once again, try out this Maybelline Metallic Python Lip Kit, and I used the lip combination Passion. I look forward to seeing you in another video, and I also look forward to your comments. Have a great day. Bye-bye.